All right, here's that quick quiz that's available in the virtual classroom. Let's go. You should be able to generate this under 5 minutes. So recall what the numbers are. The numbers are 0, 1/2, root 2 over 2, root 3 over 2, and of course 1. So let's go. First things first. Here's your first box. There, to there, to there, to there, to there. And each one of these, remember, is long and then short. So this is root 3 over 2, 1/2. So over here, root 3 over 2, 1/2. Over here, root 3 over 2, 1/2. And there's root 3 over 2, 1/2. And of course, this is positive, positive. This would be negative, positive. This would be negative, negative. And this, of course, would be positive, negative. The next one, here we go. Next one would be this one right up here. Boom, boom, ta-da, and yahoo. This will be 1/2. Root 3 over 2, and look how fast I'm going here. 1/2, root 3 over 2, that'll be down here, would be 1/2, root 3 over 2, and over here would be 1/2, root 3 over 2, and let's start putting the labels down. This would, of course, be minus positive, this would be minus minus, this would be positive minus, and away we go. So we've exhausted this guy and this guy. All right, so now we have to make sure that we label the pies and everything. So, okay, here we go. Let's clean it up. Let's get rid of this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, clean it up, clean it up, clean it up, because we need all that space in the middle, right? Okay, here we go. La-di-da, perfect, okay. This guy, of course, will then be broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6s. That's broken down into pi over 6. Okay, this one will be 2 pi over 6. That'll be 3 pi over 6. That'll be 4 pi over 6. That is over 5 pi over 6. 6 pi over 6, which we know is pi. This one will be 7 pi over 6. This one will be 8 pi over 6. This will be 9 pi over 6. This will be 10 pi over 6. This will be 11 pi over 6. And of course, 12 pi over 6, which is 0, and 2 pi, the same thing. Okay, next one we have to do is, of course, the center one here, right there. So each one of these is root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. That's going to be negative root 2 over 2, positive root 2 over 2. That's going to be, of course, negative root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. And this last one is going to be positive root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. Okay, so that breaks this down. Now that this is exhausted, that breaks this down into, guess what? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be pi over 4. 2 pi over 4 we have, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, which is pi. This is 5 pi over 4. There's 6 pi over 4. There's 7 pi over 4. There's 8 pi over 4 right there. The only things that we didn't put down, of course, is the 0 and the 1. And you could have started there right off the bat, but I thought that was going to be a little bit too easy for you by now, right? Okay, so there's 0, negative 1. Perfect. So you can go now and you can reduce these. And if you reduce some of these, for example, like this one, that becomes, right, pi over 3. This is going to be, of course, going to be pi over 2. Okay, this one over here is now 2 pi over 3. This one over, those are all good, those are all good. There's one. That's going to be 4 pi over 3. This, of course, is going to be 3 pi over 2. That's going to be 5 pi over 3. 11 pi over 6 and 2 pi. There we go. Everything is good. Okay, now let's go in and put our degrees in. Okay, don't forget, this is 30, there's 60, there's 90. Now keep adding 30s to this. So that's 120. That's going to be 150. Of course, this is 180. Keep adding 30s to this. 210 over here is 240, 270. Okay, keep adding 30s. 300. This would have to be 330. and then there's 360, and of course, don't forget 0 degrees as well. The last one goes up by 45s, okay? 45, 90's already there. So add that, that's going to be 135. Add 45, there's your 180. This is going to be 225 there. Add 45, there's your 270. The next one is 315. And lo and behold, you have done it, and I've done it in exactly 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Ooh, baby!